morning, guys. So we're gonna be doing a day in the life of an entrepreneur. So I have 3 signings today. I'm going to be sending in an application for another signing, so you guys get to get an extra signing agent website from me. I hear that they're super good and that a lot of people use them. I have 2 notary one-on-one classes today, one in 30 minutes and one at 3 p.m. today. So I think it's a lot of work today, but at the same time, I don't think it's a lot of work. Maybe to you guys, it may be a lot of work, but we'll see. I'm very tired. I just got done editing and posting a video really late last night, so I didn't go to bed until 1:30 a.m. in the morning, which was super bad. So I'm tired, my voice is blah. So I'm excited for today though, because we had 3 signings. So I'm in my first class with Naomi. She's in California.
Hi.
She's going to school to be a surgical tech. So she just got done with her lesson. She was a little tired, but what do you think? We were very early in the morning.
I liked it. I mean, you explained everything so well, so I'm excited to start my journey on notary signing.
Right, so I just got off with that one student, and I am just answering messages from the other students up here. So if any of my students are watching my video and you haven't checked in with me in a while, go ahead and send me a message up here. Like I told you guys, I want to be able to guide you and give you advice on anything and everything, including any other business endeavors you have. I really enjoy talking to you guys, and I may have some extra notes I can give you. So if you haven't talked to me in a while, go ahead and give me a message up here. I'm always talking to everyone up here, and I really enjoy it. I am gonna start printing my paperwork for my 11 a.m. signing. And my first signing for the day is $100. And 160 pages today.
And it took Kyle and it turned him apart, therefore making his legs kind of bulking up, and so it's someone called 911.
Okay, I'm in my car and it is 11:45. That one took a little bit longer because we were talking, and now the person that I'm refinancing with is calling me. So I'll see you guys at home. All right, and this is the one right after it. So Amazon has good paper prices, so I like to buy my paper up here, but I can't even find it. And I typically buy this one, but I want to see if there's any update for, is there a better price? So Amazon has really good paper. All right, this one's cheaper by a couple of cents. So I'm gonna buy now. Monday. Oh no, I cannot wait until Monday. We'll buy this one now. Few extra cents, but it will get here. Once I print out my 5 o'clock paperwork, I'm gonna just go ahead and go on a walk. I'm kind of tired, but I think nothing's more valuable than vitamin D and getting your body moving. And then I have to do a signing agent application for a new company that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys so you guys can sign up. I have to do my utility application for the cabin in Tennessee for our Airbnb. And then I want to sign up for some other pop-up shops, or to make sure that my application went in for the pop-up shops that I'm going to be doing for my planners. I have filmed my story, so I'm going to be talking to you guys about my journey with being self-employed. And then I just sent the email to this company, which was there for me to do. So right on time with what we need to do today. All right, so home from the walk, took a shower, and I changed my shirt because I was just too lazy to take off my red shirt to go for a long walk in the neighborhood. And I am waiting for my next student to arrive in class, and then I have my signings tonight. All right, so I'm here with Lisa. She's the second and last student of the day.
Hi, guys.
Ooh, let me turn you up.
She's so fun to talk to. I learned so much. I feel very confident.
Yay! So this is gonna be her step to fund all her other dreams. What's the storage unit dream you wanna do?
Yes, I want to open a storage unit business as a passive income and hire someone to run it, and I'll just kick back,
and make loads of money.
Yes, I love it. So I love talking to other students about their dreams. It goes beyond just signing agent stuff. Your signing agent's gonna fund your dreams.
And Jasmine is the one who inspired me for everything, so thank you.
Yay! Great. So just got done with my class with Lisa. Now I am heading 24 minutes away to my next signing. And then of course I have one at 7 p.m. So not a long day, but there are a lot of moving parts to my day. And then after I get home, I'm gonna be sitting down on my computer answering emails and doing vending machine orders. So I will update you guys after this signing. All right, so they had to move their appointment to 5:30 because the wife was stuck in traffic. So right now it is 5:43 and we are already done. I got that done so I got here at 5:27, luckily, and she was actually here at the same time as me. Wow, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. All right, guys, I got here at 6:50. It is now 7:05, 7:08. There we go. That was a record one. So I'm gonna go home, answer emails, send in applications that I need to. I might not do the application for that signing agent course I was telling you guys about, because I don't know, I might be lazy. All right, so I'm home now, sitting in my backyard that is finally finished. I'm gonna be sending emails to students or people who wanted to take my course. So I'm gonna send out a few of these and then start on some vending catalogs. I have to go through and re-edit some and send them to people who bought them. And then I have a new purchase today. So I'm gonna be editing that as well. And we'll see what it takes me because I have a lot of emails and sometimes I get a little stressed out about it. But hopefully I can get enough done. It's 7:39 right now, so I'm gonna start doing this. Alright guys, so it's getting dark. The time now is 8:36. Probably can't see it because the screen is cracked. But I'm gonna go inside. I might take a break. I really should do my application for that signing agent website or do the application for my utility bills. I think we're gonna do the utility bills one first because that's a little bit more important. Or I might just lay down. I haven't really rested all this day. So this is a day in the life of an entrepreneur. I usually end my day off with emails and vending machine orders and catalogs, and then also talking to students and stuff and setting up dates and times for them to get their classes done. So I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope that I inspire you guys a little bit to really just go out there and try everything that you want to do. There should be no reason that you don't try everything. If you have a 9-to-5, let it fund everything that you want to do. Don't be scared. If something doesn't work out, quit, try something new. If you're in your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, you still have so many years left. I'm sorry if you can hear all the traffic going by. There's really no reason for you not to go after what you want. Stop being scared and just do it all. And if it fails, or if you figure out that you don't want to do it, drop it and try something else. There's no shame in that. Life is about experiences. You're allowed to try more than one thing. You're allowed to quit. You're allowed to start over. It's okay. Believe in yourself, change your mindset. As soon as you change your mindset into, I can do this, instead of, oh God, how am I gonna do this? Or I can't do this, or I'm scared to do this. Doors will open up for you. I mean, my whole entire mindset has changed because of me getting fired from my job. It really taught me that being comfortable is the thief of aspirations and doors opening for you. Sometimes if you're not gonna open it, sometimes if you're not gonna step through it yourself, you will be pushed. And you may feel seriously uncomfortable and not ready for it, but it's your time. I will talk to you guys later. If you wanna sign up for my course, it is now on my website. July is opening. And if you wanna do a vending machine catalog, I do have those on my site as well. You can look at reviews and stuff like that if you guys are uncomfortable with it or you're still kind of like on the fence with it. So you guys take care. Remember, you only fail if you don't try. Bye guys.